Hi, my name is Doc Livingston with RE/MAX and Team Homeowners BC, and this is the latest in our educational series. And this afternoon I've invited Chris Campos from Sun Life. Welcome, Chris.
Thank you.
To come in and talk to us a little bit about mortgage insurance. Chris is not only a mortgage insurance specialist, he's also my life insurance specialist. And I thought I couldn't think of anyone better to do this little interview with. So Chris, what does mortgage insurance actually cover?
So mortgage insurance actually only covers your mortgage.
Nothing else?
Nothing else.
Nothing else. So what happens if I die?
So if you die, your mortgage is paid off, but essentially the bank is a beneficiary because now the bank doesn't have to collect from you.
So if I've been paying into it for 25 years, the full amount, all the way through, at the end of it, my estate won't get anything.
Exactly, and it's just the mortgage. And as you're paying off your mortgage, you get less and less coverage.
Okay. So, mortgage term is normally 5 years. So what if I switch banks?
That's the thing. So every time you switch banks, you might actually have to reapply and get new coverage with a different carrier.
Okay. So I just want to make sure that I'm perfectly clear on it. So if I have mortgage insurance through you,
yeah,
what will happen is that the mortgage will get paid off if I die, but anything left over will go to my estate. Is that correct?
It'll actually go to your beneficiary. So if you have a spouse, you can name your spouse as the beneficiary, and the spouse will actually get all the money, and they can decide what to do with the money.
Yeah. No, really good.
Yeah.
That's really good. So what if my needs change? And let's say that I sell this house and I buy a more expensive house. Can I adjust the coverage?
Yeah, you can always get more coverage if you like, or if you downsize, you can always decrease your coverage as well, but you're in the driver's seat of your insurance plan.
Okay. But through the whole thing, I'm in control.
That's correct. Yeah.
I'm in control, not the bank.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah.
Okay. So there you have it. Mortgage insurance. I'd encourage you, if you have any questions about mortgage insurance, call Chris. He's the expert. So this is Doc Livingston signing off. See you next time. For more information on mortgage insurance, call Chris directly. Here's his number: